Vandegurum students, today I am starting a new interesting topic, that is PPT, PowerPoint presentation. In this I am going to teach you how I am taking online class, how I am doing animation, everything. But at a time you cannot learn everything, right? So first of all, tell your parents to open and give PowerPoint presentation. So this will be like this only. The first slide will be like this. So today I am going to teach you how to format background, how to give the color. Okay, background means this backside it's white color, right? So that I am going to change and just add some shapes. So what you have to do, this is the first slide. So I want to add one more slide, means you have to click Ctrl M, okay, shortcut key, or you have to right click like this. Then new slide. See here there are so many options: duplicate slide, delete slide. So today let's learn new slide, delete slide. So new slide I am going. Now you can see here there are so many boxes. I don't want all these boxes. How to remove? Then go to, actually click on design. Design you can give, then or else layout. Click on home. You can see this layout. So you can see here what type of I want, blank. Always I select with blank because I want to choose whatever I will choose. So blank. You can see plain. So whatever also you want to include. So what you have to do, you have to create new slide. So 2 slides we are going to do. In this you have to go to layout and change the slide. Suppose if you want to include title only, you can include. That is your choice. Later also we can include. So I am going to include some fruits or something I am going to show you. So background, right click. You can see here format background. Click on format background. There are so many types. This already you know, gradient fill, picture, solid fill. Suppose I want to select some pink color. So go to solid fill. Click on this. Can you see the background changed? No, I want to give some other color. See, gradient fill. Suppose even picture also you can add. So whichever picture you can add. See, suppose I want to add this. You want to give color, so I have given pink color. This is, I will do one slide, you have to do 2 slides. Then close. Now I am going to give title. Suppose I am giving fruits. So fruits. Now same thing like word, insert. Now you can see the shapes. So select any 5 shapes. So let me see you are remembering or not. Then click, make it into white. Then now you have to type some fruits name, apple. And you can change the color. So today your task is, it's not that fruits you have to type. You can type flowers, colors, whatever also you can do. Cars, vehicles, adventures, something. So you have to create 2 slides. This slide also you have to change. This slide one color, this slide one color. And change the layout and insert some 5 pictures in each slide. This slide one heading, this slide one heading. And you have to do. I know you will be very interested to learn animation, how the stickers are coming. Yes, the last will be that one only I will be doing. So do this and send the picture to me. Now you have done the slide. How it will show a slideshow? Because in online class I will be showing the entire screen, right? So you have to press F5. So when you press F5, the slide will be seen as, or else you have to go slideshow from beginning. Now can you see? So like next slide, like this only actually I will be showing. So you have to press F5, it will come. Or else you have to click on this. Here also see slideshow. So main thing is PPT is to present in online class so that it will be seen big screen. Word and all we cannot show big. So only in PPT we can show a slideshow. In this only we can do all animation, all the effects. So first slowly we will prepare PPT and we will prepare so many slides. Slowly we will learn everything.